How to build a website with Strapi. Follow the instruction. Install Node.js on your computer from the official website if it's not already installed. Open your terminal and create a Strapi project by running npx create Strapi app at latest my Strapi app quick start. After the server starts, create an admin account in the browser to access the Strapi dashboard. Go to the content type builder and create a new collection type like blog with fields such as title, content and image. Add some entries to your collection in the content manager using the admin panel. Go to roles and permissions and enable find and find one for the public role so the content can be accessed through the API. Create a frontend app using a framework like Next.js. Fetch data from your Strapi API and display it on the page, then style and deploy the website. Thank you for watching.